Everybody, it's Heather. I just got my Jingle Vox Box in the mail from Influenster, and I am excited to open it. Let's do this. Jingle Vox Box. Alright, first up, we have an Itty Bitties from Hallmark. Cool, we got Spider-Man. This will be nice for Valentine's Day or perhaps a little Easter basket. Next up, that's some Pure Ice nail polish. Home Run is the color. My daughter will probably like that. Cetaphil moisturizing cream. Sweet. Oh, I see a free coupon. Ooh, some tater tots. Maybe some tater tot casserole in our future. Kiss eyelash glue. Well, that wouldn't be complete without some eyelashes. Nice. Maybe I'll have better luck with those this time. And we got some Biscoff cookies. And NYC City Proof eyeliner. Nice. And that looks like that's it. Thanks for joining me. Sign up for Influenster to get your own.